Hey nature lovers, ready for a wild ride? Today, I'm diving into the spectacular world of hornbills, those birds with the outrageous beaks and personalities to match. If you've ever seen a hornbill soaring through the treetops, or heard their echoing calls, you know they're not just birds, they're full-on rainforest royalty. So, what makes a hornbill a hornbill? First, those legendary beaks. They look heavy, but they're actually pretty light thanks to their hollow structure. That casque on top, it's like a built-in megaphone, amplifying their calls and catching the eye of potential mates. Trust me, you won't mistake a hornbill for anything else when you see that profile. But hornbills aren't just about looks, they're vital to their habitats, real farmers of the forest. Their favorite snack? Figs. As they munch on fruit, hornbills spread seeds far and wide, kickstarting new growth and keeping forests healthy. Some even eat insects, lizards, or snakes. Talk about a varied diet. Now get this, their nesting behavior is next-level bizarre. When it's time to start a family, the female hornbill seals herself inside a tree cavity, and the male walls her in with a mix of mud, fruit pulp, and, well, bird poop. She stays in lockdown, safe from predators, while the male brings her food through a tiny slit. It's an epic test of trust and teamwork. When those chicks are ready, mom busts out and the whole crew takes to the trees. But here's where things get serious. Hornbills need those old hollow trees, and as forests vanish, so do their homes. Some, like the helmeted hornbill, are even hunted for their casques. It's a tough world out there for these birds. The good news, people everywhere are stepping up. Conservationists are protecting nests, planting trees, and educating communities. You can help too, by supporting sustainable products, sharing the hornbill's story, and making choices that protect forests. When you think about hornbills, remember, they're more than just beautiful birds. They're guardians of the forest, partners for life, and proof of nature's wild creativity. So next time you spot a hornbill, or hear that booming call, take a moment to appreciate one of the greatest wonders of the wild. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Let's keep the forests flying high together.